एक काळ तियात्र गाजोवपी आंतोनेत मेंडिसाच्या लायफ जर्नीचेर तियात्र अकादमीच्या कलाकारांक भेट कार्यावळीत चर्चा जाली। एंजेलो दी बोरीमान आंतोनेताची खास मुलाखत घेतली। ताणें आपले तियात्राचे माचेवेले अणभव सांगले। बरो तियात्रीस जातले जाल्यार खर मेहनतीक दुसरो पर्याय ना।
तेच बरा स्टेजीचेर कोण नाव दवरात, कित्याक फुडल्या पिळगेतून म्हणजे उगडात केली। ह्या मनशान इतली बरी पार्ट केली, ह्या मनीस एकदम बरी पार्ट विसरलो आनी हो मनीस बरो सिंगर आहलो नासी केन्नाचे न्हू आतां तुमी म्हणटा पळय कातार म्हणटा सेम वे दीस पीपल ऑल्सो शुड कीप देयर नेम अँड गो।
आंतोनेतान कातारूय म्हणून दाखयले। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।
FC गोवान डेरिक परेराक यूथ डेव्हलपमेंट आनी ISLाचो असिस्टंट कोच म्हूण नेमयार केला। आयतारा मिडिया मुखार FC गोवान घोशणा केली। ग्रासरूट पावड्यावेले खेळगडे सारके तयार जाले काय तांचो फुडार बरो जाता। ग्रासरूट फुटबॉल ट्रेनिंग घटमूट करतलो म्हूण डेरिक उलयलो।
We have signed Coach Derek Pereira to come on board as the head of our youth development, and also assistant coach or the Indian coach for the ISL team. When we were planning at the development squad, we wanted to ensure that from our grassroots program, which begins at the age of 6, goes on to 14, and like the youth plan that we have, where we have now teams all the way from under 12 all the way to 23, gives a clear vision to any Goan kid who sees himself being able to play for FC Goa in their and there's a clear path to that. And we want to bring on someone who could be an architect for this entire plan, and we felt that Coach Pereira was probably the perfect person for this job.
डेरिक म्हणटा फुटबॉलात ग्रासरूट ट्रेनिंग सामकी महत्वाची। ISLाक लागून थळाव्या खेळगड्यांक टॅलंट दाखोवपाची संद मेळटली।
Looking forward to coming on board and try my best to fulfill the vision of the owners for the club and for football in Goa. I believe that we can develop good footballers, good talented footballers if we focus ourselves on grassroots and youth, and we'll definitely get better players to take our football to the next level. We can develop world-class players if we have the facilities which we have already discussed. And also I believe that we need competition to develop players, and I think the Goa Pro League and Indian tournament, all India tournaments will help us to give exposure to the young players, and that's the way we will definitely get to achieve our goals. ISL has brought in the crowd to the stadiums. There is an attachment from the fans towards especially our FC Goa, and also it has given an exposure to Indian players to play alongside top names and top players of world football. So these are the positives, and I hope AIFF comes with a plan for a better future of Indian football.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीरय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। नमस्कार।